time to open window number 24. I'm so excited. I really want to open 24. So excited. Been waiting for this day for a long, long time. Hello, my equestrian friends. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and all of the other holidays. Welcome back to today's video, and it is finally time to see what's behind door number 24. Very, very excited to find out what's hiding in there. So let's look, shall we? Oh, ow. Oh. Oh, did I rip it? Almost. So excited, I almost ripped the door off. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. Now I see why it was so heavy. This is a bottle of Effol Superstar Shine. This is a really nice hair polish to give a shine to your horse. And it's a pretty good size container. It is 125 milliliters, which is equal to 4.4 ounces. So that's awesome. That would have cost at least $5 or $6, at least, minimum. So if we were to add everything up together, like around $5, I don't know, some of the things are not going to be $5, like the tissues. Yes, those are nice, but I don't think they're going to cost $5. We have leader balsam. We have the horse treats, the Speedy Leather Shine, the hoof ointment, the regrowth serum, the rider's hand cream, the non-snap plating bands, the shower gel for riders, Band-Aids, those aren't going to be $5 either, the lip butter, the hoof moisture balance cream, the summer hoof gel, the winter hoof gel, the skin lotion for horses, not for humans, the horse balm, also I'm assuming like liniment, the skin balm, which is for wounds, then this awesome thing, which is the liquid barrier, also for wounds, the mango mouth butter, the leader combi, the leather cream soap, the incredible lip balm, and the little lozenges. Those aren't going to be $5 either, but this is everything that came in this awesome, awesome, awesome Advent calendar for equestrians. So the Advent calendar cost $50, $49.99. And these are all of the products that came in it. To me, I really think that this was a very, excellent value for everything that I got. I got a lot of products that I have already used and I love, and I got some new products to try as well. And I got some products I probably wouldn't have bought, but hey, you can't get 100% happiness. I mean, you could, but actually I am 100% happy with all of this. So I hope you enjoyed my daily Advent calendar opening. For me, it was really fun. I can't believe I just did 24 videos in a row for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. Well, I don't know. I probably enjoy it more because I get to have all of this stuff. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for making my channel, The Budget Equestrian, what it is today. Because without you watching my videos, I wouldn't be here making them. So thank you, and I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas, or Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Boxing Day, all of them. I wish you and your family a very happy holiday season, and that's going to be it for my December videos. But wait, that's not all of December. I still have Monday videos, so there will be a video on the following Monday. I don't even know which Monday it is, but there'll be another video on Monday, and I'll get back to my regular posting schedules. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Watch all of my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you so much, and stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.